Good day. We're here in the beautiful town of Capas, Tarlac, where we have completed our latest project, a stunning high-end residential house. Tara, samahan niyo ako i-tour yung mga ginawa namin high-end doors and windows.